Tourist area also got benefit. Then I'm going to share you the 7 benefits. The first one, economy opportunities. So when tourists selalu come non-stop, so the local economy also become kuat loh. And more job created, right? Because hotel, cafe, shops need orang untuk kerja, right? Okay. Lepas tu, the school nearby there, the clinic also upgrade very fast because of funding coming. So sikit-sikit our life become better lah. Benefit kedua, culture exchange. So when these tourists come, right? So kita pun belajar loh sikit-sikit adat mereka, right? Cara, the way dia tahu interaksi, cara-cara pertuturan mereka, apa yang mereka minat, okay, cara-cara masakan mereka. So macam fun lah. So kita pun macam jadi open minded gitu. That benefit, infrastructure development. You notice tak when got tourist, ramai tourist area, government will faster upgrade the jalan, fix the lampu, okay, then ready a lot new facility, okay, everything nicer. Okay, lepas tu you got transport dekat, okay, taman bersih, then you even got the bicycle lane also. So kalau you tinggal tempat tu memang selesa punya. Okay, the fourth benefit, diverse cuisine and entertainment. Places like that makan never get boring lah. Okay, why? You got sushi loh, you got pasar loh, right? You got ponte loh, you got Nyonya Laksa loh, BBQ Korea loh, okay, and then you got a Western burger loh, all mix. Okay, and then at night you got show, right? Got live band or so this place will never boring. Okay, the fifth benefit, increase revenue for the local business. So when tourists come, they buy banyak barang. So this kedai will untung loh. So maybe they will hire more people because open one more branch or more branch, right? Business grow, economy grow. So good for orang tempatan loh. So semua orang happy. Okay, number 6 benefits, community events and festival. So when normally these tourists come, they like to watch our culture. So we buat banyak of this festival like Babang Nyonya dance, Portuguese dance, and the culture show. And then we got a craft bazaar. Okay, so we all join in, fun what, right? Family can go together, right? Rasa proud of our heritage. The final benefits, property value appreciations. Tourist area, house price not only steady. Night also got property here, hot demand very good for long-term investment. People say tidur also senyum So buying house in this tourist area memang noisy, crowded, but there's also benefit lah if you know how to tengok properly. And if you want to buy in this area, you need to think like an investor, bukan orang biasa yang jalan-jalan saja. So yes, that's about all. I would like to share with you the 7 masalah and the 7 benefits of buying property in this tourist area. So yes, that's about all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.